Do you want to look beautiful? Do you want to look sexy? Do you want to just take away that stubborn belly fat and to keep in shape? This is exactly what you need. This is the strongest fat burner, guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me here again, Chige Natural Remedy. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. This recipe is our pineapple peel. Just bought that from the freezer. You can see it's still frozen. So that's the first thing we are going to use for this recipe. Right now I have placed my water on the gas, so you can see the water is boiling. Right now I'm going to add the pineapple peel inside the water. And everything inside the water. I can see I forced to boil the water before adding it. I want it to stay so long on the heat, so that's why I boil the water first before adding the pineapple peel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll just add everything inside the pot. Make sure the water is covered. While this one is boiling, the next I'm gonna add is my cinnamon powder. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Just 1 tablespoon. I'll just add everything. So the next I'm gonna add is my black pepper. But if you have Kenya pepper, you can go ahead and use it. But in this recipe, I'm using my black pepper. I'll just add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And I'll cover it to boil. I'll just give it like 10 minutes before I work. Basically, it's going to stay like 15 minutes, but after 10 minutes, I will introduce another thing to it. Now it's boiling. Let me show you guys another things I'm gonna add to it. So guys, the next I'm gonna use is grapefruit, but if you have lemon, you can go ahead and use your lemon. So I'm gonna use 1 full grapefruit for this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This remedy works so fast, it works like magic. Grapefruit is low in calories. Grapefruit can boost your immune system. Grapefruit controls appetite. It will make you not to eat much, and it has been shown to aid weight loss. Grapefruit may prevent insulin resistance and diabetes. Eating grapefruit may improve heart health. Grapefruit is powerful antioxidant and it may reduce the risk of kidney stone. There's a lot of benefits in grapefruit. Just give it a try. Not even only weight loss, but much more benefit from it. So guys, I'm gonna set it aside. So the next thing we need is our ginger. I'm gonna make half of this ginger. So I just need 2 tablespoons of ginger. So I'll go ahead and build the back up. I just want 2 tablespoons of ginger. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn up the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This thing will work so well. It will work like, just go and come back and tell me your experience with it. It works so well. So I'll just grate the ginger. So I think it's enough. It's gonna use like 2 spoons. So I'll just set it aside again. Like this after 10 minutes. So right now I'm gonna add the fiber of grapefruit.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video.
I'll mix everything together. So the next thing I'm going to add is the ginger. I'll mix everything together. And I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So guys, this is after 5 minutes. Right now it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat and allow it to beat. So guys, this is it. That's cooled a bit. I'm going to use my strainer. Just strain it. So guys, at this point you can decide to just cook it again or you just throw it away. But for me, I'm gonna cook it for the second time. And I will see add this fiber inside the pot. The next thing we are going to add in this is our grapefruit. Remember we pressed grapefruit. We add the fiber inside the pot. So this is the juice. We are going to add it inside and just turn it. So guys, that's what you just need to just get rid of that belly fat, that stubborn fat. This remedy works so well. It works so well. When you drink it, immediately you just drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. It will take you straight to the restroom. It will flush out the bad fats in your body and it will keep you in shape. You know we need this, just what we need to keep us in shape. After consuming all the things, that's what you need to just flush out every non-stopping fat and keep you in shape. So yeah guys, hope you guys love this video, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye.